Hi friends, I'm Arangarajan. I have a 14 years experience in accounts, tax and MIS reporting. So in these 14 years, the whatever I have learned in Excel in the professional way, which I'm going to share with you all. If I feel that if you are not good in Excel, you don't worry, you just follow my Excel sessions which I'm going to release one by one. Before going to the session, I request you to subscribe my channel and like the video and share to your friends. Now we are going to see the functions related with days. Okay. Now the first function which we are going to see is today. The today functions will help you what is the day today. By using the today function, we'll get the today date which is displaying in your system. But one thing, this the date will not give the exact date is today, because the Excel always is taking the date from your system setting. So please keep remember, you have to keep the correct date in your system. Okay. Now today functions will try now. Equal today, the moment we are trying to enter the TO, the today function is appear. Now open bracket and just close the bracket. Now you will get the today date. Okay. Now we are going to see now function. The usage of the now and the today, the difference is the today will give only date, the now function will give the date and time. So equal now open bracket close bracket, you will get the date with the time. Okay. So next is day function. Day function will help you to separate the date from the particular date. So like for example, if you see the cell reference, the 30 21 3 2021 is the date. Now we are going to separate the day alone. So what is the function? Equal to day open bracket refer the date cell, close it. So you will get date 21. Then again for month separation, equal month open bracket select the same date cell and close, you will get the month of 3 3. Again you, now we are going to separate the year. For that, equal year open bracket select the cell close bracket, so you'll get 2021. Okay. Now already the dates was there in one cell. Now we are separated in three cells. Now again we are trying to merge all three in one cell. What formula we can use? Again now we can use the date formula. Okay. date open bracket, what it is asking year. So year is where 2021. Okay. What is the month is 3, and what is the day is 21. So close bracket enter, so you will get the date. Now you can get the today date, and from the date you can separately day separate, month separate and year separate by using the day month year formula. Then when you are separated three, you can merge together as it is. How we can do? By using the date formula. The date formula is, first you have to put the date open bracket, year, month and the date, then you will get the date function. Okay. Now I small uh, example I gave here. The one is start date and number of worked and the end date. So one person, if joining date is 1 Jan 2014, the person is working for 875 days. What will be the final date of working? So what we can do, the simple calculation is equal start date plus 875 days. So you will get, the person will get resigned from the job is 25 May 2016. Okay. In the same case, if you want, now the date function is very easy, because now just start date plus number of days we are calculating, then we are getting the answer. Okay. If we want to add the month, for example, one employee is joining, the 6 months is probation period, then what is the exact date is confirmation? How you will identify? Okay, what is the function is equal, we know the date function. So what we can do is, first year refer the same cell close bracket comma month. Okay. Comma month. Month, which month? You refer the same cell and close the bracket, plus 6 months you can add, comma, YAR, open bracket, refer the same cell, start date of same cell, close bracket. Now what is happened? The person who's joining in, sorry, here small mistake, day. Okay, so the person is joining on January, the person will get probation in the 31st July 2014. So January is already over, so Feb, March, April, May, June, July, so the calculation is correct. Now you want to change the, now you want to add the year, number of days. See, now you want to calculate number of days worked. You already added the days, you are already added the um, day, and you can add the year also by adding this formula. Okay, what is the formula? Like number of period, confirmation date, period in year, probation year, we can say this is probation month. Okay, so year means what we can do, while I'll remove the month and I will add the 6 years. Okay, 6 years I will add. Now what happened, if you join in 2014, the person will get the probation period completion confirmation letter, he will get on 2020, because 6 year is a probation period. Okay, now we have added the days, we have trying to added the month, we have added the year. Now we are trying to subtract the date between one date to another date. What is the formula? Equal, friends, please listen carefully, equal date dated if. Okay, DATED dated if, open bracket, start date, comma, end date, comma, double quote, day, D, only D you put, start date dated if, started with dated if, start date, comma, end date, comma, within the double quote give D. Okay, so you will get 875 days. Okay, see, the date is exactly matching here, earlier and this, you can compare with these two, so that you will have little more clarity on this. Okay, so in the same way, if you want to, less subtract the month, what is the formula? Same like dated if, open bracket, start date, comma, end date, comma, now instead of day, which we have to give M and close bracket. So now you are getting how many months? 28 months. If you change the year 2014, so Jan 2, so already Jan over, so May month, so only 4 months is completed. Okay, in the same way, you want to see the year, how many years, how will see? Equal DATEDF dated F, open bracket, okay, start date, comma, end date, comma, within bracket, comma, within bracket Y. So you will get how many years? Okay, you will get how many years? So if you see here, it is going 2019, 19, again 20. So always better to use after the formula result plus 1, if you put, you will get the right answer. Before that, if you put like this, then you will get correct answer, 2 years. Okay, so here also, like after that, you can, if you put, actually you have to put start bracket and close bracket, finally plus 1, because now this Excel will not calculate the last date or last month or last year. So better to add after the dative function, please add one number, if it is a date also, month also, even year also, then you will get the more accurate number. So that's all, my friends. If you can any doubt on this date function, you can put the comment, I will reply on you. Thank you.